In the previous video, we couldn't able to complete with this kube-c-tl top nodes and top pods. That basically gives the top resource consumed pods and nodes, nothing else. But I have some issue with metric server. I hope it works for you. Let's proceed with the next item, that is kube-c-tl cordon. This marks the node as unschedulable, which means it will move the particular node unschedulable. That prevents new pods from being scheduled into that node, while existing pods will continue undisturbed. So why we do this? So we do this for many purpose. One such is like node maintenance. Maybe if you want the node to be updated or do some upgrades or maintenance to keep the new pods coming into that node, you keep it into maintenance mode. For that you use this cordon command. And what else? Draining nodes. Say for example you want to drain the complete node. So before the drain, you stop getting other pods to getting into this node, and that will avoid creating new pods inside the particular node. And then you will do for the kube-c-tl drain, which will which will bring down the complete node. Draining in the sense completely bringing down. Similarly, resource rebalancing scenario. Say for example, there is a problematic node. Currently we are running in the Minikube, so it's a single node, but usually in the production environments or other organization environments, you will find multiple nodes. So if you want to avoid the pods to get registered in this problematic node, you go for this approach. Similarly, if you want to bring the cluster down, so preparing the node, also you will go for this approach. We'll quickly see. We have only Minikube here, but still we'll try to see how we can do the cordon and uncordon. So for that, what I'm trying is I'm just getting the current nodes list here. You can see Minikube is the only one which is running here. So if I say kube-c-tl cordon and cluster name, the node name, it says cordon. If I run the command again, now you can see it is ready mode, which means it will be able to handle the current pods without any issues, but it cannot take the new ones. Scheduling disabled, that's what it shows here. And once you complete with all the maintenance, all the cleanup activity, everything, again you want to uncordon the same, you use the command kube-c-tl uncordon, followed by that your node name. Now it says uncordon and we'll see get nodes. Now it's back to ready status. Hope this works. Let's meet in the next.